Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you all the products you need to create a beautiful watercolor painting so that you can go from this boring white piece of paper to something like this, a fun, exciting, colorful dog painting. Alright, so these are all of the products I use to paint my watercolor paintings. It's only about 4 or 5 products, so let's just get right into them. So first, we got our pencil. Very simple, the easiest thing. You can just find any pencil lying around your house. I just have this mechanical pencil. Just make sure that it has an eraser so that you can erase all of your mistakes like I do. Second, we got our paint brushes. I usually just use this one because the bullet point tip is really good for my style. And you can just go to any store and find a paintbrush that says it's used for watercolor or acrylic, and you should be fine. Third, we have our watercolor palette. This one I got at Hobby Lobby, and it was a very cheap one, and I've been using it since college. These work just fine for me. I like these because they have a nice selection of different colors that I like to mix together to get a bunch of different color combinations. So you don't have to go too crazy. Just get the cheap kind, and it has worked for years. Fourthly, we have our watercolor paper. Now, I would argue that the paper might be the most important thing. I would honestly spend the most amount of money on the paper because whichever quality watercolor paper you have is going to make your paintings look either really professional or really crappy. The thicker the paper, the better, because it won't wrinkle as much. So just keep in mind when you're looking for watercolor paper, look for thicker and paper that has a lot of tooth in it so that the paint can grab the surface easier, if that makes any sense. Finally, I have my Micron pens. Now these are an option for you guys. It's not necessary to paint with watercolor, but with my specific style, I really like the contrast between a loose paint and these dark pens with it. So once again, get these at your local Hobby Lobby, your Michaels, Amazon, and I usually try to go with a different size for each of them. So I'll do a 1, then go to mid-range like a 3 or a 4 or a 5, and then go up higher to like an 8. And you can get these packs that have all of these in there, and these will last you for a really long time. Woo! And with that, we're done. Those are all the products that I use to paint my pet portraits, and it's only a few products. So I hope that shows you don't need too much stuff to just get started. You just need paper, pen, brushes, paint. The practice is the thing that takes the longest, but you only need a few products here and there, and then you can start painting. And if you want to see me paint with these products live, I stream on Twitch every Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday, so I hope to see you there, and maybe we can paint together. And with that, I will say thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell, and comment down below what you think. I'd love to hear your thoughts about this video and what you might want to see in the future. So I'll see you next time.